for tonight, I'm gonna show you how to cook the carbonara, Filipino carbonara. So let's start. So these are the ingredients. So you see there's spaghetti, onions, garlic, bacon, cream of mushroom, and the fresh cream, full cream. And of course the Parmesan cheese, and as well as the Edam cheese, just a square cheese. So now let's start cooking. Here I am, I'm just heating up the oil and I'm gonna fry the bacon just to make it crispy and crunchy. So once you see that it's a bit crunchy or crispy now, then we can get the next one and fry it again, make it crispy. So while the second one is being fried up, then I'm gonna cut this cooked one into tiny pieces. So you see, while I'm cooking the bacon, I'm boiling up water for the spaghetti pasta. There you go, it's boiling now. Now we can put the pasta to cook it, and it says in the packet to cook it for 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. Now the oil is already hot, so now I'm gonna saute the garlic, the onions, as well as the bacon. So we're just gonna wait until the garlic turns a little bit brown. Now here we go, it's a bit brown now. Then we can add the onions. So we will just saute it until it's cooked. The onion is cooked, like it gets to the translucent color. That's what they say. Here we are, it looks cooked now. Now we're gonna add the bacon. So we'll just give it a few minutes to cook, and while I'm cooking this, I'm trying to check on the pasta. It's all good. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper, ground black pepper, just for taste. Smells nice, smells good. Right, this time we need to put this condensed cream of mushroom. I just recently found this out. It's really good. I used to put the fresh mushroom, but when I used this, I loved it. So I was like, nah, I'll just try using this cream of mushroom. It's really good. And look at the little boy. To help him with his iPad. So what you can do, you just mix it up So just stir it, stir, stir. Now we can add the fresh cream. It's only 300 mils because you've already got the cream of mushroom, just like how many mils is that? But yeah, just 300 mils of the cream, it should be good. Right, so give it a few minutes to just simmer, and here I am getting the cup. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a cup of the water from the pasta. Now you don't need to put the whole cup of the water, just like halfway. So it just depends. Just have to look, because you don't want it to be watery, because you don't want it to be a soup, mushroom soup. Now let's get the Parmesan cheese, the grated Parmesan cheese. Now I've put a generous amount of it because I love Parmesan. It really adds taste on the pasta, on the carbonara. Just checking on the pasta. Looks like it's a bit cooked now. Here I've decided to add a little bit more of the water, pasta water, just because. Don't worry, it will not turn up as a soup. Trust the process. Trust the cheese, the Parmesan cheese. Now finally the pasta is cooked, so I'm just turning it off, and then I'm gonna drain it soon. Let me just find my colander. Alright, let me drain this. Just waiting for the sauce to be thickened. So in here I'm adding some more Parmesan. See, I told you, trust the Parmesan cheese. Right, so in here I decided to get a slice of cheese just to add it in the sauce to make it like chicken. Now let me try this. Let me taste it. So I'm needing some more pepper to taste. Just because one slice of cheese is not enough, I'm gonna add the second one. we're gonna do another taste test. So yep, I've decided to add salt, just a tiny bit. Sometimes it depends on your bacon that you use. Some bacons are like salty, but this one that I used is not really salty, so I had to add some more salt. Right, time to add the pasta into the creamy mushroom sauce. Sauce, so don't you worry about that. So here's the carbonara on my plate. It's so yum.